How to prevent someone from taking screenshots on Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Login Helps, and on today's tutorial we will learn how we can prevent someone from taking screenshots on Facebook. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. Currently, Facebook does not offer a specific features to prevent someone from taking screenshots of your posts, photos, or messages. However, locking your Facebook profile is one of the excellent way to enhance your privacy, especially if you're concerned about people taking screenshots or viewing your information. So for that, you have to launch your Facebook application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, go to your profile page by tapping on the profile at the top left corner just below the home icon. So once you're on your profile, as you can see, I have already locked my profile. Here, locking the profile makes your profile more private and only people on your friend list can see your posts, photos and other. So to lock your profile, all you have to do is get to your profile page. Once you're here next to edit profile button, there you will have tap on three dot icon. So under profile setting, you will have an option to lock your profile. Since I have already locked my profile, there I am seeing the unlock profile option. But in your case, if you haven't locked your profile, you will see the message or the option as lock profile. Tap on it and that will lock your profile and restrict the visibility of your post and personal details. Once you locked, a confirmation message will appear. Then tap on lock your profile to confirm. So once you lock your profile, only your friends can see your profile pictures and non-friend will see a blurred version. Only your friends can see your post and your friend list will be hidden from everyone and only friends will be able to share stories. Even though this locking feature does not directly prevent someone from taking screenshots, but it enhances your privacy by restricting the visibility of your profile. So you have to be very mindful of what you post as your content or as any content that you have shared, even with the privacy settings, could still be captured by someone else. So that's the only way to prevent someone from taking screenshots on Facebook. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.